Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and clear your search history because you've been looking at products as a gift for your family member or friend. How do you actually go ahead and clear your search history on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first we're going to hop into our eBay account, and then from here what you want to do is that you want to click on the search icon on the bottom hand side. So as you can see here, we have a list of recent searches that we've made on our eBay account. Now in order to clear your history, what you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says clear all. So clear all is listed in blue, so go ahead and click on that and then click on clear recent searches. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and clear your search history on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.